In this tutorial, you are going to learn about how to draw a title block, how to add a title block to an existing drawing, and how to take a printout by converting the AutoCAD drawing into a PDF. Hi, this is Rajesh from CAD IQ, and we are going to use AutoCAD web app application for this tutorial. Now, let us start. So let us begin a new drawing and name the drawing as title block. The drawing units will be used metric. So as we open, it loads the libraries and our title block drawing is ready. So first what we are going to do is we are going to go for the dimension style. Okay, so in dimension style we are going to select MEC 3.5, and in the text style we are going to select simplex 3.5. Now we select rectangle. To specify the first corner of the rectangle, we are entering 0, 0, and the length we are going to use the A4 size sheet. So it will be 297 and 210. Okay. The A4 size sheet we can use. Next, what I am going to do is I am going to give zoom extents. Okay. So if you select zoom extents, we will get back the rectangle. Okay. So here we got the basic rectangle, which will be our outer border. From this, what we are going to do is using a modify command offset. We are going to offset this to about 10 mm. Okay. So this will be our inner title block border. We can delete the outside one. Now I am going to use the explode command and I am going to explode that. After that, I am offsetting for a height for about 60. This edge I am offsetting for about 100 mm. Next I am going to use another offset for about 60. Then I am going to use the trim command and trim the outside edges. So here I am using a copy command and I am copying these lines. So I need them for about a 10 mm distance. So it's a multiple copy I have given M, and I am 10 mm offset distance I have given, and I have pasted these lines. So by using trim command I am deleting this. Okay, so I would like to have a title block in this fashion. So now I am going to draw the symbol, first angle projection symbol. So first, initially I am selecting a circle and roughly I am drawing a circle, and once again using O snap I am catching the center, and then I am switching off the O snap so that it will be a little bit easy for me because it is catching the quadrant. I have switched off the O snap and drawn the second circle, and once again I am switching on the O snap. Now I am going to draw a cylinder, a cone, frustum of a cone. So I am using the O-track facility. If you see how I am catching up the straight line and I am drawing it. So this is the easy way to draw using O snap. So I am even getting all the distances with the help of the O snap command. So now I'm going to draw a center line. I have drawn a line. So I'm using the middle mouse wheel for scrolling. So now I'm going to change the line type. So I'm selecting it and going for the line type and changing it to be center. Okay. So
I will be increasing the scale for better view. So when we zoom out, we may not be viewing it properly. So I am changing it to line tab dimension scale 4 or 5. Okay. So I'm going to draw this vertical line also. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for the properties, and then it's modify, in which I can copy the properties of this line to this line. So now you look, automatically it has also become a center line. Okay, so next I have to add text here. So for that I'm going to go for the annotate command, and I'm going to select the option text. So for which I need to select a rectangle like this. The text box will open up, and then directly I can type the text. So after typing the text, I have to click the tick mark. So my text is, I got my text. So here I have first initially drawn a rough text. Okay, so I'm going to copy it to all the other locations wherever I want. So I can use a multiple copy. So I have pasted my text in all the locations. Now I am going to modify this text by selecting them, double clicking them, and we can select the button there. Then maybe you will be able to resize that, and we will be able to move it. Okay, so by double clicking it, actually I can change the text to whichever fashions I want. I can resize this also. So here, above the title block, I am drawing this, writing this. All dimensions are in mm. Now, in the similar fashion, I am modifying all the text. So here if you look, orthographic drawings using AutoCAD, and next will be my say RRN number, and next will be my name, and next maybe the scale I'm going to give, and the drawing number. So these are the things that I have modified. So finally I am getting this. Okay, so I am saving this drawing. So now I have zoom extents. Now my title block is ready. Next we are going to insert this title block in our drawing. Okay, for this we are going to open an existing drawing for which title block need to be added. So I am opening the drawing which I have already drawn. Yes. So drawing has loaded up. Now I need to insert the title block. For this I have to go to the options called blocks. Clicking that option, in that I need to insert a new block. So insert block pop-up window will open. In this we have to select the file which we have just done now. That is, we have named it as title block. We have to select that file. and you open. Then if you see, it automatically comes up with an insertion point, that is 0, 0, and our drawing is here ready. So what we have to do is we have to zoom, adjust, and we have to locate it at the position we want to have it. Yes. So like this I have located it. Giving zoom extents, we can see we have got it now. Perfect. Now if I need, I can add some text, or I can even work on my drawing as well. So in this I am going to add a text, that is the view names that is missing here. So I will be adding front view and top view on the left side view. Just I have added the front view. I can copy this and move it to different locations, and after that I can rename them. Yes. I'll just pasted it at the locations I need. Then renaming them suitably. So this will be my top view. Finally, the other will be the left side view. Okay, so now I am giving the zoom extents. I am going to save my drawing, and then I can go for the print icon that is there on the top. Okay, so in this I need to select the plot style as AutoCAD, and then my page width as ISO A4. Okay, and it's in the landscape mode. So now I can press the plot to PDF button. Now the PDF will be generated, and we have to wait, and it will be ready to download. PDF is ready for us to download. Yes. Hope you find this tutorial very useful. In this tutorial, we have learned how to create a title block and how to insert this title block into an existing drawing, and how to convert it into a PDF, and finally to take a printout of it. Please do hit the like button, and more tutorial videos will follow in this channel. Please do subscribe to our channel and share this video. Until then, it's bye from CAD IQ. Bye-bye.